Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to pay traffic ticket online in Florida. So if you want to pay a traffic ticket, follow me in this video. Go to Google, search for pay a traffic ticket online. This is the keyword as you can see here. Click the first website here. You will redirect it to this page, PayFL, this one. In this case, you have Florida information here. Choose your county here, for example, this one, and then you will redirect it to pay page. So in this pay page, click submit, make online payments. From here, for all this information, your citation number, your ticket year, for example, this one ticket here. Choose your ticket number here, and then choose your card. For example, this one, this is for cast number, and then choose your all details. After that, you write your all information here, and then click submit. This option, you will be able to pay. In this page, just return this page and then click submit. You fill all this information and then here you can submit. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share in this video.